Hi everyone. Getting a ChatGPT account is so easy. It is enough to write on the website address chat.openai. AI means artificial intelligence. One word. This is one word. OpenAI.com. So if you write on the address bar chat.openai.com, I write it here and click on it. It will bring ChatGPT and you will see this page. If you have an account before, you can log in and use your information, your email and password and log in. But for the first time, you should only once, you should sign up, get an account. Click on sign up, then write the email address that you are going to get ChatGPT connected with it. For example, this is the email address that I'm going to get ChatGPT, then continue. It asks you a password. This is the password for ChatGPT. I write the password, but you see, it says that Akbar, you have used this already. Exists. You have an account, so you should log in. You should log in. So it's important that you should know that the email that you are providing here, it shouldn't be connected with ChatGPT before you have not received any account with it. So I edit it and write another email. Continue. Then write a password and continue. It says that, okay, would you like save it? You can save it, or if you don't want, you can close it. But it says that verify your, now go to your email, this email, and open the email that we have sent you and verify it. As you see, when I open my email here, I have received a letter from OpenAI verifying email. Then I go inside it and verify the email address. After verifying the email, it asks me my information. I write Akbar. Then, for example, Zahiri, 6, birthday. I give the information that needs, for example, the month, the day, the year. For example, this one. Okay, continue. I make myself young. Then ask for the phone number. And you should provide, again, a phone that is not previously connected with ChatGPT. Each account verifies with one phone number. For example, if I provide my phone number because I have an account and I said, okay, send the code, it says that the phone number is already linked to the maximum number of accounts. It doesn't accept. So I have to change it and put another phone number from my family. چهل شیش 37 40. So after writing the code, I entered ChatGPT. This is the account, and this is your account. Your name is here. Here you can click and go to the settings. This is the settings, and this is the chat. These are the example, the training. You can use, for example, the examples or search on the internet. How there are lots of videos how we can use ChatGPT for writing resume, searching something, or learning English, different topics. There are lots of tutorials on the internet. And if you enjoyed it, you think that it's useful, you can click here upgrade to plus and pay money, upgrade it, and there are some extra options that you can use for the ChatGPT. And I will try to teach you here how to use ChatGPT for searching the job, writing resume, cover letter, interview questions, and writing different letters. For example, thank you letter, replying to invitation letters, follow-up, feedback letters, and also an important section for learning English. Those who have problem to learn English. There are lots of topics that I would like to cover, teaching you how you can use ChatGPT for learning them. As you saw, getting a ChatGPT account is so easy. From now, you can write your prompts. The question that you are writing here in this section, it is called prompts. For example, write a sample resume for ESL teacher job position. You see, very quickly, it will provide you a sample resume, something like this, but you should make it specific. We will teach you in other section how you can use ChatGPT for writing resume. This is not the good way. Or for example, for learning English, you can write, for example, could you correct my mistake, please? it is an English teacher, then it will help you to correct your sentence. No, I am an English teacher, not I is an English teacher. Or another one, could you correct this mistake? I'm agree with you. And if it correct it, explain it. Even you can ask question, what is the meaning of, for example, what is the meaning of agreement? And it will provide you any information. Even you can say to translate it into Farsi, any language that you would like. And it will provide you the answer very quickly. Lots of interactive question you can ask, and it will provide the answer. So you can find lots of tutorials on the internet. As I mentioned you, I will provide you lots of videos regarding using ChatGPT for writing cover letter, resume, interview questions, and different letters, and also learning English. Thanks for your paying attention and watching this tutorial, and good luck with your ChatGPT to find your dream job. See you on our next tutorials. Bye.